Subscribe to this channel, get 2 free recipes every week. Healthy, nutritious, and delicious recipes. Not only do you get recipes, subscribe to this channel and you'll get substitutions. What do I mean? Well, you know, some recipes have sugar, so instead of sugar you might use a sugar substitute. Supposing you're doing a barbecue and you want to add something to that barbecue that's kind of like steak but not really, a little healthier, something you can eat. What about cauliflower? That's right, today we're making cauliflower steaks, so let's get cooking. What a great idea, cauliflower steaks, and they're so easy to make, really. First thing you have to do is get rid of this green leaves on the cauliflower. You don't want to eat those. And this is all you have to do. I'm going to slice this in about 3/4 of an inch thick slices. And you'll see that in each cauliflower is only going to really give you 3 nice steaks. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray a sheet pan with oil. I'm going to put the steaks on the sheet pan. Now we have to season these up. So we give a little bit of oil. And then of course we need a little bit of salt. About a 1/2 teaspoon. Just sprinkle it on like that. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Fresh black pepper. Then I'm going to use about a 1/2 teaspoon of granulated garlic and a sprinkling of smoked paprika. That gives a little special flavor. It'll give it a little color too when it's in the hot oven. Just to get the flavor kicked up extra notches, here's what I'm going to do. Let's turn these over. And do the same thing on the other side. Salt. And pepper. Granulated garlic. And don't forget smoked paprika. I preheated my oven to 425 degrees. Hey, that's hot. But we're trying to simulate a steak. We want that caramelization. It's going to be terrific. I'm going to leave it in there for 10 minutes and I'm going to check on it. Hey, this extra cauliflower, don't throw it away. I'm going to use it for another recipe. Hey, every great steak needs a great steak sauce. This is one of my favorites. We start with flat leaf parsley, just the leaves, not the stems. So if you have your flat leaf parsley, all you really have to do is strip it off the stem, just like that, okay? If you have a little piece of stem, it's okay, but I don't want too much stem in there because that's going to get stuck in your teeth. Okay, just strip it off the stem, like that. This is a special ingredient, all right? Fresh oregano. So we have the parsley and then the fresh oregano. Same thing, I just want the leaves. I don't want the stem, so I'm going to strip the leaves off of here. Like that. There's a lot of flavor in these stems. You can use it like to infuse flavor into other things, soups and stews and infused oils, but I don't want to eat it. Right? It's too tough, it's not pleasant, but it does have a lot of flavor. So you can use it to infuse that flavor into other things like soups and stews and oils. Fantastic. Good stuff. Meanwhile, just add those oregano leaves to the parsley leaves. Now wash them up. To wash any kind of greens, just put them in a big bowl of water, agitate it, and then take the greens out of the water. Don't strain the water out of the greens. Take the greens out of the water. I have here a small amount of boiling water, and we're going to blanch these herbs in the water. Make sure the water is boiling rapidly, and then throw them in. Watch how fast this is. You throw in the herbs, give them a good stir. That's it, you're done. I'm going to drain these herbs in a colander, run some cold water on it, squeeze out the excess water, and I'm going to show you why I do all this, why I take all these steps for. Very important. Hey, remember all that parsley we had? That's it. That's what's left after you cook it. It's not much, but it's a lot of flavor. I put it in a little food processor, and I'm going to add 4 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to blend it till it's nice and smooth. It's going to make a lot of noise, so bear with me. Check that out. That's terrific. The oil actually turns nice and green, and it does that because you cook that parsley. Otherwise you'd have like oil with chunks of parsley in it, but this is a nice green colored oil. Hey, that's a delicious steak sauce. So many uses, not just for this cauliflower steak. This is wonderful. It's got some spiciness from the garlic, fantastic. And a lot of herbiness from the oregano and the parsley. And the olive oil, gives it kind of a richness, like olives. Woo, that's delicious. Hey, this cauliflower's been here for about 10 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna flip these over. Ooh, look at that color. That's a nice color. Back inside for another 10 minutes. You see that steak sauce? Very, very rich. And the cauliflower also has a richness to it. So we've got to cut through that richness. How are we going to do that? We're going to serve this dish with a lemon. But not just any lemon. We're going to make this lemon special. First, we'll cut the lemon in half. And then, come on over to my stove. Hey, that's beautiful. This will give you a special flavor. Hey, these steaks are done and they are smelling delicious. Ooh, look at that color. That's fantastic. I put in my plate. Remember this sauce? Now, I don't put any acid in the sauce because that's going to turn the color to a dingy kind of a green. I leave that alone. Give the sauce a little stir. You see that sauce just gets drizzled on top like that. Give it some nice color. That's beautiful. And then you serve the lemon on the side. You can squeeze the juice on yourself. This way it doesn't change the color of the parsley and the oregano. It stays nice and green. That's beautiful. Hey, I can have steak once in a while and that's okay, but not every day, not all the time. It's too much, it's too heavy. It's not healthy for you. Gotta lighten it up. This is how you lighten it up. Make steak from cauliflower. This is delicious. You can smell the garlic and the herbs and the burnt lemon. Ooh, that's a fantastic addition to this dish. Check it out. Hey, you want to check out something else that's great? Brownies. Brownies, so rich and so luscious. But I've made a brownie that I've also taken out some of the fat and some of the sugar and added other ingredients to it to make a fantastic, healthy brownie. You got to check out that video. I'll see you there.